Whether you purchase an elegant electric vehicle like the Lucid Air or a new Honda Accord, you start out with a brand new car and you want to keep it that way. Your highest priority is protecting your paint from irreversible damage caused by scratches and rock chips while driving. That's why you need a paint protection film installed from the experts at Transhine. Then you can enjoy driving your new car on the highway with the peace of mind your paint is protected. We have been in the detailing service for over 30 years and have been installing paint protection film for over 15. And we can say, with complete confidence, this film is the best way to protect the paint. Exceptional customer care, incredible value, and a commitment to excellence allowed us to win the Best of Whittier Automobile Detail Service Award for the last 13 years and a certified XPEL installation company. Installing an invisible shield over your vehicle or vulnerable areas will add incredible resale value, extend the life of your paint, and save money by eliminating future detailing work to remove scratches and nicks. Our experience and product knowledge assures you will make an educated decision about protecting your beautiful investment. If you care about your car's appearance and value, you need this product. Contact us today to protect your paint.